Hey everyone, what's up? Here on the channel. As you can see, it doesn't look great. So I'll show you another way. In short, you can go to Epic Games again and do the same thing, just a little differently. Let's go to the library. Here we also find Fortnite, click the three dots, then Manage, and click Find Local Files. Here we go. Open the Fortnite folder, click Fortnite Game, Binary, Swing, 64. Here we have the Fortnite launcher. Right-click it, hit Show More Options, then click Send to and select Desktop. There we go. And now we have a nice shortcut, and we can launch it from there. That's all for this one. Like and subscribe to the channel. Take care everyone, good luck, and goodbye.